Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to use an 8-wire UTP cable for KOCOM's 4-wire analog videophone system. Specifically, we'll demonstrate how to connect the door camera to the monitor and establish monitor-to-monitor connections. Before we begin, it's important to know your wiring distance. The method you use will depend on how far the devices are from each other. Here is the general wiring diagram. For distances under 30 meters, pair the wires from the UTP cable to match the 4-wire connector. Follow the color-coded guide displayed here to ensure proper connections. For distances between 30 and 100 meters, use the 1-4-1-2 pairing method for each 4-wire connection. Again, refer to the color guide for accurate wiring. And that's how to apply a UTP cable for KOCOM's 4-wire analog videophone products. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via the email provided in the description. Thanks for watching.